Today we're kicking back on the couch and wirelessly connecting to our TV with the help of our new HDMI transmitter and receiver. It streams smooth 5G video and audio and connects your device to the display in less than 10 seconds. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to set up too. Inside the box, you have your instructions, 2 USB-C power cables, HDMI extenders so you can put your receiver in the best location, and then your HDMI transmitter and receiver. Pop the cap off the top to reveal the HDMI port. They also feature a one-touch connect button, as well as heat dissipation holes. They're also compact and take up little room. To get started, all you have to do is plug in the HDMI receiver into the display, and then the transmitter into your device. Depending on the type of HDMI port, you may have to plug in the USB power cable to give it extra juice. My laptop worked fine without it, but both my Xbox and TV needed the extra power. After they're both plugged in, you'll see a screen that says plug and play. Then within 10 seconds, your device connects and shows up on the TV. If you're mirroring your device, you'll notice a fraction of a second delay, but it still has really smooth results and feels really responsive. But instead of mirroring, I prefer to extend my display or shut the laptop altogether. If I had a TV in my office, I would use the TV as a third monitor and be able to wirelessly stream shows or my own finished videos while I work. Then if I worked in an office building, this would be nice to hook up my laptop for presentations. But for now, I'm happy to kick back on the couch and edit some videos on a much bigger workspace. Not only that, but it worked great with my Xbox. I was able to play some games and watch some YouTube. There was zero delay and felt seamless to use. This brings me lots of new options while keeping cables at a minimum. And it has a range of 165 feet, so you can even use this as a wireless camera feed. So many ideas come to mind for this. I could have used this for my security system at my old house and have a feed inside. You can even connect up to 8 transmitters to a single receiver. Again, this is perfect for office situations. Now everyone can have a turn sharing their thoughts with the push of a button. The only downside is, it has a max output of 1080p. But I don't mind. My laptop's only 1080p, and being able to wirelessly connect is awesome. So if you don't want to be limited by cables and want to project your multimedia where you want to, this HDMI transmitter and receiver combo from Timbootech might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go plan my new office design. I'm getting a TV. See ya!